Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the water inlet valve on your dishwasher, and it's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a 1/4-inch nut driver, a pair of pliers, and an adjustable wrench. Let me show you how we do it. Now before we begin this repair, the first thing we're going to need to do is to disconnect power to the dishwasher. So locate the fuse panel or breaker panel and turn off the power at that source, or if it has a cord on it, just unplug it from the wall. We're also going to need to disconnect the incoming water supply, so locate the valve and turn that off. And then we're going to need to remove the lower access panel. It's held in place with 1/4-inch screws. And we'll also remove the panel above the toe plate, again held in place with 1/4-inch X-edge screws. And then we can set those aside. This now gives us access to the inlet water valve, which is located over on the left-hand side. So first thing we'll need to do is to disconnect the incoming supply, and it depends on whether you have a fixed rigid copper tubing or a flexible hose. We'll just need to remove that from the valve. Now with the supply line removed, we'll next remove the fitting adapter to the valve, because it's easier to do with the valve mount to the dishwasher. So with an adjustable wrench, just remove that fitting. And we'll set that inlet adapter aside because we will be reusing it. Make sure that we peel the thread tape off of it, and we'll apply new when we reinstall it. Next, we'll remove that 1/4-inch hex-head screw. And we can slide the valve bracket off of the frame of the dishwasher, and we can pull it down far enough. We can disconnect the wire harness, and with our pliers we'll squeeze that clamp on the outlet tube. Now with our pliers, we'll squeeze that clamp on the outlet tube and then slide it up the hose. We can now just twist that valve off of the hose, and there will be some water that will come out, so you should have something there to catch that. Now to install our new valve, we'll insert the outlet tube onto the valve. We'll rotate that clamp into position. And then position it down at the end of the hose on the barb of the valve itself. We can reconnect the wire harness. And then we'll set that fork over the frame of the dishwasher and reinstall the 1/4-inch screw. We're now ready to turn on the inlet water supply, reconnect the power, and our repair is complete. I told you it was an easy job. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.